Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on Google Assistant on your Xiaomi 15T. So by default on your Xiaomi 15T phone, your power button, which is located right here, is configured to launch the Google Assistant. And let me show you how to turn this feature on. So go to settings and you want to scroll down to additional settings section, and now go to gesture shortcuts, and at the very top of your screen go to launch digital assistant, and you want to turn this feature on. So when enabled, when you hold and press your power button, you will see Google Assistant that appears on your screen. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.